Here's the start of our second quarter. It's Christian Poblete setting it up. Season over to the right side, back to Poblete. Season over in. He's still there, Rego de Jos to Christian inside. Yes, sir. Here's on the line now, looking to attack. Patubo to Encarnacion. Kick out, Rodrigo hesitation. Off to Aguilar. Setting this one up to the middle. Encarnacion. Get the contact and the foul. The foul is on number 0. That is Patrick Anglo. His first personal foul. First team foul. Two free throws for Andre Encarnacion. First shot is a miss for Andre. One out of 2 for him. Here is Barabagudlao looking to attack. That's a pass fallen there by Andre Encarnacion. Passes. Rodrigo with the reverse. Yes, sir. It is the balance falling for Ugnat Naik. Here is Poblete. Christian. Right side pass. Kick out. For 3. Marcelo will miss. Rebound by Aguilar. One shot from Patubo. Nowhere to go. He only hits. Bending his way in. Extra pass. Fades away. Nowhere to go. Here is Christian. Hands off to Marcel. Rego de Jos using the shot. Here is Aguilar. Dustin. To the left side, Patubo. Setting it up. Dean. To number 0, and that will be a penalty. Substitution. Ball behind his back for Christian Poblete. Here's John Paul. Binata to the right side. Hernandez back to John Paul. Shot clock winding down. Hernandez has it. Lawrence loses the letter. Stolen there by Andre. Here's Aguilar. To Rodrigo inside. Once again kicks out. And Encarnacion has it. Uses. Kick out pass. Shot clock winding down. Aguilar down low. Rodrigo he fakes. Shot fired. Yes, sir. What amazing play there from Joshua Rodrigo. Didn't give up that possession. Here's John Paul to Marcel. Back to Paul. Binata cross forward. Hernandez has it now. 10 on the shot clock. The shot from Lindo. Nowhere to go. And that night will set this one up. That's a pass. Patubo. Deep inside the hits. That's too strong. It's John Paul now. Getting the contact, and there's a foul there. Foul on number 13. His first personal foul on Deep Patubo. First team foul. Substitution. Rain Alberto is back for Lawrence Lindo. Here's John Paul. Setting it up. Pass inside. Hernandez is there. The foul is called. Foul number 3-1. Here is Andre Encarnacion. His first personal foul, second team foul. Binato, John Paul, setting it up. Right side. Here's Ronquillo now, kick out pass, middle line for 3. Misses, he won by Paul. Here's Binato now, on the freeway. Running, attacking, and he will score. Here is just number 1, Dustin Aguilar. Ronquillo for 3. No miss, time for the loose forward, round 1 in the line. Geese to Ronquillo. Sees it opening inside. Getting the contact and the foul. Foul number 1, that is Ray Alberto. It's first team foul. Substitution. Two free throws for Joshua Ronquillo. One out of 2 here for Joshua. Here's John Paul setting it up. Calling for someone, the passes stolen by Duterte, Charles to Hicks. He will run, Dylan, Ronquillo, all the way down the lane. Yes, sir. Here's the answer here for Maragondon. Cisrao, all the way to John Paul. Crossword pass. 5 to shoot. Running shot will work for John Paul Binato. Right side pass to the middle. Dustin to Ronquillo. Joshua misses that pass. Recovers. 10 over shot clock. Back to Joshua. To the corner. Charles. Jumper. That is short. But for the loose one, makukuha yan ng Hernandez. Lawrence to John Paul. Right side pass. Cisrao making his way. Loses the leather. Ball goes the other way. Here's Dustin Aguilar. Hands off to the left side for 3. Misses. Para for loose board. Makakuha yan ng Maragondon. The handoff is there. Binato. On the lane, freeway, attacks, yes sir! 10 points now for John Paul Binato, the X Factor for Maragondon. Here's Aguilar, that's the pass, that's too strong. Substitution. Ara Isabella checks in for the first time in this ball game. For Dustin Aguilar. Here's John Paul asking for a pick. Spins. Using up the screen. Anticipation is there from Dylan. Middle to Joshua. Really make the shot. There's a whistle down there. Out of bounds, whole seas, 14 on the shot clock. Allen to Dylan inside. The bounce here. Foul ball number 25. With a second personal foul of Gilbert Cisrao. Second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Dylan for the ankle play. Yes. Here's Binato. Passes to the left side. Nowhere to go. Put back. Siracon is there for the goods. It's Netherlands to Joshua, off to Maryland, back to Montillo, shot from Wendy down, stopping Pop J, misses Dylan, puts it back, no, Adam, Shanaman, get the contact, plus a foul. Foul number 25, his third personal foul on Hilbert Sanaco. 30 foul. Substitution. Patrick Anglo checks in for Gilbert Sanaco. 2 free throws for Al Novello. Here's Gennaro now, jump ball. Setting it up to Alberto. Ray loses it. Oh, that is traveling. Still have 2 minutes remaining. You in the first half. Here's Adam. Kick out pass. Joshua has it now. To Maryland. Hesitation. Good step. Kick out. Maryland right there. That's only a long 2. Only a long 2 for Jake Maryland on that setup shot. Bring down Maryland. And Senator to Hicks. Dylan. All the way up. Bank shot is good. 6 points for Dylan Hicks. But for the loose board, mabubuhay yan ni Maryland. Off to Hicks, Dylan. Oh, he misses. 1 minute to go. This is John Paul. Binato. On the lane, passes to Patrick inside. What an unselfish play there for John Paul Binato all the way to Patrick Anglo. Here's Maryland. Shot from 10. Dylan inside. Back to Hicks. Hopping his way in. What a connection. Still have a couple of seconds remaining here. Here's Binato. Alberto inside. Patrick hesitation. Alberto will try the shot and it will work. 8 seconds remaining. Joshua. Working Lopez. The foul is on number 7. The first personal foul of Adam Novello. That ends our first half. 50-30 is our official score. Still in favor of Left Knight.